Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to install Django on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL and follow this instruction to install Django on Windows. At first, install Python. Click on this link and then download the latest version of Python. I am going to download the Python install manager for Windows operating system. It may take a while for downloading. After a successful download, go into the downloads folder and open this installer. Okay, I am going to install Python install manager. Click on this install Python button and I am going to install C Python. Type Y, then hit enter. Now type N, then hit enter. I don't want to view online help. Now I am going to verify the installation. So open command prompt and write this command here. That's it. Python 3.14.2 installed successfully on my Windows operating system. Then follow the next step. Now set up a virtual environment. So I am going to create a virtual environment for my project. So open command prompt and then navigate to a directory where you want to create your virtual environment project. So I am going to navigate to desktop and then I am going to create a folder using make directory command. Now I am going to create virtual environment project using this command py -m venv module installed by default with latest version of Python and then write the project name. I'm going to name it my env or anything else you want, then hit enter. It may take a while for creating virtual environment. Okay, now type this command and see. That's it. Now I am going to activate this virtual environment using this command. If you see look like this before the current path, that means virtual environment is active. Now I am going to install Django. So use this command to install Django on this virtual environment. If you want to install the specific version of Django, then use double equal and then write the version number. I am going to install version 6.0, then hit enter. That's it. It may take a while for downloading and installing Django within the necessary packages. That's it. Django 6.0 installed successfully. Now I am going to verify the installation. use this simple command to verify the installation. Here you will see the version installed of Django. That's it. I am going to create Django project in Windows operating system. So use this command. I am going to create a new project on Windows. So select Windows and then copy this command. Here write the project name here. I am going to name it my site. Hit enter. Okay, that's it. The project has been created successfully, and then navigate to the project root directory using cd command. Okay, now I am going to run this Django project using this command. Copy this command and write or paste here. Okay, hit enter. The Django development server running at this URL with the port number 8000. So copy this URL and access from the web browser. That's it. Django installed successfully and Django project created successfully on Windows operating system in a virtual environment. If you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.